G'day guys and gals. Printer repairs. I had to pull the heads out and do a complete clean of the injectors, if you like. But I've got it going again. I guess that's better than throwing it in the rubbish. There's a huge scam in this city where you take your printer in and it's not printing, and they give you 900 baht and take your old printer, and 10 minutes later they've got it working again, and they sell it at almost new price. But I found out how they do it, so now I do it myself.
Excellent job, Mr. Husband. You are clever. You can do anything.
Yeah, you just got to print one colour picture every week and it'll stay working. But the prints that they sell you are not Pixma ink for a Canon, so they tend to dry out in the heads pretty quickly.
Good morning, everyone. I am Susie Kruger and John Kruger. Welcome to our channel.
Yeah. And we've got ink on the table, unfortunately, but that's one of the problems with working on a printer. You should take it out in the garden. It's safer.
This lady is so beautiful.
Yeah. That's a younger version of the princess.
She has been stunning, gorgeous.
Yeah, that's Susie. Young woman at her first teaching job. And she's still teaching, it's just she teaches me now.
You are my student.
Yeah.
สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Hello everyone. สวัสดีค่ะทุกท่าน
Well, Susie's, look at the passion fruit. Do you pick them up every day?
Yes.
Wow. Geez, they grow thick and fast. We've got so many passion fruit now. We're going to have to start giving them away. We can't possibly eat them all.
Just only me eat them.
Yeah,
for my breakfast.
They're not very sweet. They're actually a bitter passion fruit, so I don't like them very much. I mean, I'm sure they're probably healthy, but I'm prepared to die earlier.
Yeah, it's very healthy. I put on my cereal, my cornflakes, and milk, and yogurt.
You get that many every day?
Yes.
Wow.
This morning the weather was fine.
I've got a headache from working on the computer, getting tired of it. But we've got to keep producing content. We don't have a choice in that.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Enjoy and happy life. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Yeah, guys, you take care and be really careful. There's a lot of road fatalities at this time of year. Bye.